invention that changed the history of the world internet. The simplest way to illustrate the invisible impact of the internet is to plot the rise in the number of people connected to it. In 1969, only 4 people had internet. 1,500 million people have internet, 19% of the world population. Decided by the American Department of Defense in the 60s, the Internet and World Wide Web have approached the worldwide knowledge of their invention in history. Internet is the great invention, the system to share information immediately and anywhere in the world, allows always anything from frugal intimate to surgical operation, through learning the great bazaar of knowledge in the experiment and maintaining to relationships between people who otherwise would not be possible. This was some internet. When we cooperate, we make the internet exist.